Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of TBL in my kitchen. I am your host, Nancy. Does this look delicious or what? Right? This dessert is super simple and super delicious. I love making it in the winter because it's packed with vitamin C. So if you're a citrus lover, you will love this dessert. And what it's so cool about this one is that you can make it into a single dish for a get-together for the holidays, and it can also be made into individual portions ready to travel and can be kept fresh individually. And the flavor possibilities are endless. You have to try this dessert adding orange zest, orange juice, and some orange flavored extract, replacing vanilla cookies for orange flavored ones instead. All you need to do is place your ingredients in the blender, add the lime juice and the lime zest, vanilla extract, and the orange extract if you have some. If not, you don't have to, and just blend, and that is it, and build your layers. For single dish dessert, just line the bottom of the dish with a layer of cookies and pour a layer of the lime mixture and add a layer of cookies. You can add an additional citrus zest in between the layers to taste if you would like to do so, and then just decorate with the citrus zest and the crushed cookies. If you're making it for individual portions like I did into this mason jars, just crush the cookies and use them for the layers, and just place a layer of crushed cookies on the bottom, and then layer a mixture of the lime mixture and a layer of cookies, and just build up, and also decorate with crushed cookies and the citrus zest. And all I needed for this was the condensed milk, which was $1.94, my evaporated milk for $1.32, and half a bar of cream cheese, which was $3.18, and about 4 limes. The bag was about $2.98, so it was fairly cheap. It was all for a total of $9.46 and about 8 servings. Fairly cheap and delicious. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.